Stephen, we had a new announcement that I wanted to get your take on. IOTech has introduced a commercialized version of their EdgeX Foundry, which is a leading open source data platform. Edge Central promises robust data management, connecting the cloud to edge sensors in a modular and open way. Now, since you talked with IOTech as part of your Utilizing Edge podcast, I wanted to hear what you had to say about this.
Yeah, this is an interesting story. You may not know IOTech, and you would be forgiven for not knowing them because IOTech comes more from the operational technology, industrial IoT world than from the traditional data center IT world. That being said, they really know this stuff. Our conversation, as you mentioned on the Utilizing Edge podcast with Andy Foster, who was a co-founder, really impressed me with his and the company's knowledge of operational technology, industrial control systems, basically what's really happening at the industrial factory, oil field edge. And this is a company that is now bringing in what was previously an open source product. Essentially, they're making a supported commercial version of an open source platform called EdgeX Foundry. EdgeX Foundry is part of the Linux Foundation's Edge organization, and it is an open source platform for everything that you've mentioned here. So essentially, it allows you to build vendor neutral options at the edge. It allows multiple devices to interoperate. Again, since it's open source, you can add to it, you can deploy it yourself, or you can work with a company like IOTech to deploy it for you. And it does so much. It's essentially an entire platform for running containers, for moving data, for connectivity, interoperability, security, and compliance. And it's put together by some of the smartest folks in the industry. And not the smartest data center and cloud folks, but the smartest edge folks, the smartest folks who are deeply entrenched in the world of operational technology and industrial IoT. And that makes it a perfect fit for our friends over at IOTech. So again, this allows deployment of applications at the edge. It allows sharing and movement of data from edge to cloud. It allows really edge as a service. And I applaud IOTech for getting into this space because, again, it's a perfect fit for them as an organization, for their customers, and frankly, for pushing forward things in an open source and interoperable way.